Jake with High Tech Garden Supply, and today we're going to be unboxing the Digital Greenhouse HS-1000 LED grow light. You can find this fixture online at htgsupply.com or at an HTG Supply near you. Alright, let's get it open. Included in the box is hanging hardware to help mount the fixture, instructions and information on how to use the fixture, and then finally, the fixture itself. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. Getting closer, we can see the four-sided aluminum reflector. That's used to help redirect light back down towards your plants and pull heat away from the PC board. Additionally, there's the driver plate right here, and the steps to help keep the driver off of the aluminum. You'll see these four punched holes right here. Well, that's for your hanging hardware to clip in and hang the fixture. That clips in and clips out pretty easily. Now, if we go take it and flip it over, we can see the two PC boards right here with the LED chip arrays, power inputs right here, and again that same reflector helping kick light back down. Let's go ahead and plug it in. The HS-1000 puts out full spectrum red boosted light tailored specifically for flowering plants. The chipset includes Samsung 3000 and 5000K white, 390 UVA, 660 deep red, and 730 nanometer far red. Using only 150 watts, this fixture puts out about 455 ppfd at 18 inches above the canopy. Additionally, the driver is UL listed for safety, and the whole fixture is covered by a 5-year warranty, serviceable at any high-tech garden supply. Well, that's all the time we have today for the Digital Greenhouse HS-1000. If you liked the video, go ahead and subscribe down below. You can also find HTG Supply on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Go ahead and give us a follow. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Have a good one.